Good day, I am Siron Cabral from BSHRM 4A, and today I will present to you how Sweet Bliss Bake Shop perform its operation. This video will tackle the bakery exclusive summary, its major product, and its manufacturing procedure. So let's start with the exclusive summary of Sweet Bliss Bake Shop. Awareness of high-quality baked goods is on the rise. Today, consumer has less time to create wholesome handmade sweet, but increasingly appreciate the nutritional and sensory benefits it provides. Filipino has been given the chance to finally choose from a very wide collection of bakery and pastry shop across the country. Some of the best includes Goldilocks, Red Ribbon, and Biso Philippines Pastry. Sweet Bliss Bake Shop is owned by Maisel Monterde, Angelina Lee Sunshine Seba, and Girly Carabiles. It produces and sells high-quality handmade pastries. The shop focuses on cookies and cake with high quality. Sweet Bliss Bake Shop aims to offer high-quality product at a competitive price to meet the demand of middle to higher income local market area resident. The product were baked and sold at small located at Fairview Center Mall, Quezon City. The day-to-day operations run with the help of 9 employees. Specifically, Sweet Bliss Bake Shop offer two major products: cookies, chocolate chips cookies that will surely get the attention of not only kids but teenager, even adult also. Occasion, for more exciting, especially occasions, they offer delicious customized cake. Sweet Bliss Technical Production Operation. Sweet Bliss Bake Shop manufacturing process has stage-like mixing. This is a process where all ingredients are put together in right proportion for dough formation. Those ingredients are then fed into the mixers where mixing is done and dough is prepared for molding. Major ingredients are flour, sugar, egg, and other as per the product one would like to have. Molding. In this section, we laminate the dough into the sheet which passes down to gauge roll and sheet thickness achieved for cutting, where we have a cutter or a molder as per the variety where one get the shape and size of cookies. Baking. This is the area where we pass the mold cookies cake in baking oven. The cookies cake are baked on desired temperature. Cooling. Baked cookies and cake must undergo this stage for perfect formation before serving or packing. Packaging. Cookies will be packaged in box. Step-by-step production process of cookies. Prepare all ingredients. Heat oven to 375 Fahrenheit in medium bowl. Stir cookies, mix butter, egg, and flour until dough is formed. Roll dough on the flour surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut with cookie cutter. Place 1 inch apart on a greased cookie sheet. Bake 7 to 9 minutes or until light golden brown around edge. Cool 1 minute before removing from cookie sheet. Cool completely about 20 minutes. Step-by-step production process of cake. And that's how the Sweet Bliss Bake Shop operate. Thank you and good day.